everybody, welcome to this craziness of a show. Today I'm going to be talking about this palette, showing you the colors and creating a look with it and other stuff as well. Let's listen to music together and yeah, join me. Hello everybody, how are you? So I am super excited today because the star of the show will be this palette, which is new to me. This is by Gourmand Girls, the Frozen Kiss palette. Absolutely stunning. I believe this came out, I think last winter, maybe? I'm pretty sure it was last winter. I already used it once and I can't wait to try it out again for this look. But first, let me tell you what I put on my face for foundation. It's this one by L'Oreal, the Infallible foundation. This is in shade 425. And now I'm gonna powder it with my NYX setting powder, which I love this one, by the way, because I already hit pan so many times. I run out of this all the time. This is in the shade Light Truck. So I like to put this a little bit on my nose with the powder puff. Set those under eyes, around the eyes. And then I go in with a brush for the rest of my face. I think I'm gonna start with this shade right here. Very beautiful color. Put that in the crease and above. So yeah, I decided to have music in the background and I don't care if I get copyright and they take it down. I really don't care. You know what? I've realized that I'm never gonna be monetized on YouTube. It's impossible. So fuck it. If they wanna give me a strike on copyright shit, then by all means, go ahead, take it down if you want. So if you're one of the lucky ones to see this video before it gets taken down, let me know in the comment section. I'm actually gonna put that color on the lower lash line down here too. I'm debating between these two colors over here. I don't know which one, but I think I'm gonna use that purple one and just add it right here in the outer corner, just in that area. I'm gonna pack it on first. This is actually blue. I thought it was purple. It's like a very deep blue purple. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna take a smaller brush because I'm gonna try to lighten the edge with this shade right here, or maybe I should go with this one. I'll use this one instead. Go around the edges where I put that first shade and kind of soften it out. Just a little bit like that. And sometimes you have to go back in with the other brush, back and forth between both shades. I'm adding more of that dark blue purple so it doesn't get completely lost. That's what I do to both eyes. Need more of that peach shade. First one, just added more up here and definitely concentrated more right in here in this part because it kind of got lost. Now I'm gonna go in for the shimmers. Let me get my glitter glue. Actually, you know what? This doesn't really need it. The other day, the first day that I got it, I used it and I didn't use any glitter primer and the shimmers worked perfectly great. They were popping, shiny, and they stayed put. So I think I'm gonna skip on that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that dark shimmer blue. Place this right over here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Like there, and then for the inner part, I'm gonna grab this one that's like multicolors. Ooh, look at it. Wow, these are so impressive. Look how gorgeous that is. Now I'm gonna try to match that up on this side. But I mean, I'm not disappointed in these shimmers. They're so stunning. This marble color that I'm using now in the inner corner, wow, it's so sparkly. Okay, so I think this eye look needs a lot of black eyeliner. I'm gonna go in first with my e.l.f. liquid liner and then my ColourPop one. Okay, so let me start with the blush first, and I'm gonna use the Moon Prism blush. Go in with probably these two shades right here. Damn ads. Ads! I'm trying to remember what brush is this from who. I think it says Luxie. These brushes are great. This is the one that I use for applying blush. And I just put that right here in the center and upward up here. A little bit more. I love that color. And maybe just a little bit on my nose, just for fun. This kind of helps me to cover up a little bit the bags under my eyes, so that's why I do it up here. And then for my bronzer, the L'Oreal Infallible. This is the second to lightest. Right over here. On this side, connecting it with the blush down here, but I don't take it that in like the blush. And of course, forehead. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this one from Ghost Face and Glam Light. I'm going to mix both shades right over here in the cheekbones or further back. This one has little sparkles. If you're into that, you're going to love it because it's like little glitter particles, but it's not too exaggerated. I like doing this part. Then my husband says, why do you want a silver nose? I'm like, also like putting it under the brow bone right here to tie everything together and clean this little space up. And a little bit in here. Mascara time. I'm debating if I'm gonna use fake lashes, but I don't know yet. I don't know. But I'll be using the Maybelline Bubble Mascara, which is really good. Let me curl my lashes first. What did I do? Okay, I added my mascara. I decided not to put lashes because I didn't feel like it. And I decided to put some fake freckles to see, because I've always criticized it. Yes, I'm a hypocrite, I know. I've always criticized it, but then I said, you know what? To criticize something, you gotta first try it at least once. And that's what I did. And it looks like somebody was passing by really fast on a rainy day and splashed mud all over my face. That's what it looks like, but I did it. Does it look good? I could care less. So yeah, make sure that if you do see this, quickly write something down. It could be an emoji or whatever to let me know that you actually saw it before it got taken down. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and do all that gorgeous thing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.